The proverb, "Every cloud has a silver lining," means that even in difficult or challenging situations, there is often a positive or hopeful aspect to be found. It suggests that when things seem bleak or when setbacks occur, there is usually a potential for something good or valuable to come out of the situation. The phrase uses the metaphor of a cloud to represent a difficult or unfavorable circumstance, and the silver lining represents the positive or beneficial aspect that can be found within it. In essence, the proverb encourages people to look for the positive aspects for opportunities that can emerge from adversity. This saying encourages optimism, resilience, and a hopeful outlook. It implies that even in the face of difficulties, setbacks, or disappointments, there is a potential for growth, learning, or positive change. It advises individuals to focus on the potential for improvement, rather than dwelling solely on the negative aspects of a situation. Every cloud has a silver lining conveys the message that there is often a positive or hopeful aspect within challenging circumstances, and it encourages people to maintain a positive outlook and seek opportunities for growth and improvement, even when faced with adversity. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more educative videos.